Hello students, open your textbook page number 296. So today we are going to study SST chapter number 7, the explorers. What is the explorers? Students, what is meant by explorers? So explorers means a person who travels and investigates little about the places. The person who travels in other countries and investigate or collect the information about that places or about that country, it is called explorers. So students, there are given some given below few things that 14th century explorer must have carried with him during a voyage. Name them. So this is a homework for you. Okay, this is homework. So you have to find out the name of these instruments. Okay, then let's start. The 1400s were the age of explorations. So what was the year of the exploration? 1400. It was the age of exploration, means in this year many explorations had takes place. Okay, so what is meant by exploration? Means investigation, or see a glossary, the act of traveling through a place to find out about it. So it is a act of traveling through a place to find out about it. So in this year or in this in that period, many exploration of other countries takes place. So what were the reasons for exploration? What were the reasons for exploration? So why the people, or why the traveler? So why they are traveling for the exploration? So reasons are given here. The Europeans needed to find a sea route to Asia. Correct. So all Europeans means America, England, means the people they are living in the Europe continent. They needed to find a sea route to Asia. They want to find a sea route to come Asia, in Asia continent. So this is the main reason of the exploration. This was because the land route from Europe to Asia, and because of this exploration they found the land route from Europe to Asia, known as the Silk Road or a Silk Route, was frequently closed due to wars. Means from Europe to Asia they are having a land route, means they want to they needed to find a sea route, but there this was because why they need to find the sea route? Because the land route from Europe to Asia is known as Silk Road or a Silk Road. It was frequently closed due to the war. Means because of the war, the land route from Europe to Asia, it was regularly closed. So they need to find a sea route. Means उस टाइम पे, उस पीरियड में वॉर ज़्यादा होते थे, तो लैंड रूट था यूरोप से एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में आने के लिए, लेकिन वो फ्रिक्वेंटली कैसे क्लोज था, क्योंकि हमेशा दोनों कॉन्टिनेंट में वॉर होते थे. सो यूरोपियंस को एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में आना था, सो दे नीडेड टू फाइंड अ सी रूट. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? सी रूट फाइंड आउट किया. People wanted to know more about the world, and the people that time they wanted to more about the world. The rulers wanted to become a richer and more powerful by controlling smaller countries, and the rulers, the European rulers, they want to become a richer and they want to become more powerful, and they want to rule on the other small countries. So they paid for the voyages undertaken by the explorers. So voyages means journey. So they are paying many monies on the journey, means undertaken by the explorers. So they are giving many monies to the explorers. Explorers means that person for their journey to find out the other countries. The age of exploration had the advantage of better ships, improved maps, and new navigational instruments. Means in the times of the exploration, they are having the what was the advantages of that exploration? They have the better ships, they have improved maps and new navigational instrumentation. Navigation means what? Sea route instrumentation means they are searching other countries by only sea routes. So they have improved maps, they have better ships, and they also they had the better ships also, they had improved maps also, and they had new navigational instruments. Prominent among the explorers during this time were Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Bartholomew Dias, Vasco da Gama, and the Marco Polo. Then who was the important or a famous explorer from all the people or on that time? Who was the famous explorer? So first is the Christopher Columbus, second is the Ferdinand Magellan, third is Bartholomew Dias, then fourth is Vasco da Gama, and last one is the Marco Polo. So these all the explorers, they found the other countries, or they found the sea route to reach the other countries. Okay, so these are these famous or the important person of that time, and they found the sea route to reach the other countries. So these persons are called explorers. Okay, so students first we will learn about the Christopher Columbus. He was the first explorer of that time. It from 1451 to 1506. Christopher Columbus was born in Genoa in Italy in 1451. He was born in the Italy. His first voyage was in 1492. Voyage means what? Journey. His first journey was in 1492. He sailed across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain, hoping to find a sea route to India in order to trade for spices. So he also want to search a sea route to reach to the India for the trading for spices. उनको क्या करना था? उनको सी रूट फाइंड आउट करना था इंडिया में जाने के लिए, क्योंकि इंडिया इज वेरी फेमस फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्पाइसेस. स्पाइसेस मीन्स व्हाट? मसाले. इन मराठी से और हिंदी से मसाले. सो इंडिया इज वेरी फेमस फॉर स्पाइसेस, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्पाइसेस. सो दे वांट टू, उनको बिजनेस करना था स्पाइसेस का इंडिया के साथ. सो ही वांट टू find the sea route to India in order to trade for spices. So from where he started his journey, he sailed across the Atlantic Ocean से उन्होंने start किया from Spain. Okay, then this voyage was funded by the king and queen of Spain. तो this voyage was funded means what? तो इस जर्नी के लिए कोलंबस को किसने पैसे दिए? The king and queen of the Spain. They set sail from Palos in Spain and reached the Caribbean islands. As this region was unknown to the cartographers of the time, it was called the New World. So students, they set sail means they sailed from the Palos in Spain and reached to the Caribbean islands. तो उन्हें क्या फाइंड आउट करना था? इंडिया का रूट. लेकिन उनको इंडिया का रूट नहीं मिला. So they find out the Caribbean islands. Okay, and in 1492, okay, as this region was unknown and Caribbean islands are unknown, उनको मालूम नहीं था कि ये Caribbean islands थे. तो ये so Caribbean islands they are called New World to the Caribbean islands. Okay, then और जो कार्टोग्राफर्स थे, कार्टोग्राफर्स मीन्स व्हाट? द पर्सन हु ड्रॉन द मैप्स. सो उनको भी ये कैरिबियन आइलैंड्स है ये उनको भी मालूम नहीं था. सो दे गेव द नेम टू द कैरिबियन आइलैंड्स इज अ न्यू वर्ल्ड. ओके, ऑन दिस सेकेंड, सो दिस वॉज हिज फर्स्ट ट्रिप और फर्स्ट जर्नी 1492. On the second trip in 1493, he established a base in Hispaniola. The land is today shared by the Dominican Republic in Haiti. So on second trip he founded Hispaniola. Okay, and nowadays it is called Haiti. He sailed for the south for his third trip, and again he started third journey in 1498 and landed in Venezuela. On this fourth and last expedition in 1502, Columbus sailed to Mexico, Honduras, Panama and Santiago means Jamaica. So how many journey he was to place? First in 1492 to find out the sea route to India, but he find out the Caribbean islands. In second trip in 1493 he found out Hispaniola means nowadays Haiti. In third trip he found out Venezuela, and in last trip he found out Mexico, Honduras, Panama and Jamaica. Okay, although Columbus failed to find a new route to India, and because of this fourth trip, but he failed to find out a new route to India. He is accredited with having discovered the land of America, and then he discovered a land of America. Okay, so student, means why they are called explorers, because they are finding the sea route to reach to the another country for their business. Okay, so Christopher also want to find out the sea route to reach to the India, but he failed. He was failed. Okay, so last he was discovered a land of America. So then who discovered the land of America? Christopher Columbus. So student, read this topic again, and the next point of this lesson we will discuss in our next video. Thank you students.